Welcome back. I'm Ladan Korhani. I'm a family lawyer. So today I want to talk about the net family property statement. What is that? That means that if you're making a claim for equalization, or if opposing party is making a claim for equalization, this needs to be completed. This is where you will find out if an equalization is owed to either you or to the opposing party. That's how you would figure it out. After a case conference and before a settlement conference, you would need to fill this out. And the only way to fill this out is if you have completed a financial statement, which is a Form 13.1, and opposing party has done the same. That financial statement provides all the assets and all the debts that you have. So you input all the assets and all the debts that you have, and all the assets and the debts opposing party has in this net family property statement, and you do the calculation. So the very first page, very important that you agree on the date of separation. It says here the valuation date. The date of separation is the valuation date. That is the date that you need to calculate all the assets and all the debts that each one of you has. If you can't agree on that, you're going to come up with different numbers. So the rest is more like, one is the value of any kind of property assets, like the matrimonial home, if there was one. Any kind of general things. For households, household goods and furniture, I usually put in there that, each one of you is going to divide that. But that depends on if there's stuff that's extremely valuable and you need to put a price on it. So I don't know that, but that depends on you and opposing party. And then you put bank accounts, applicant and respondent. So either your applicant or your respondent, and you put each asset and each debt on here. It's asking you exactly what it is. For instance, is there a business interest? Does one of you have a corporation or a business? If so, you put it in here. And once you've done all of that, there's a part about assets and debts on the date of marriage. So you want to put that in here. Very important that you put that in here. It would be anything other than the matrimonial home. Okay, the matrimonial home would not be included in that. And to be honest, like, lawyers have a software, some lawyers, where it does the calculation for you. But you probably wouldn't have access to that, and you have to do the calculations yourself, and you need to fill it all out and calculate. And at the very, very bottom, it gives you the equalization payment. So that's it for net family property statement. This has to be done before a settlement conference hearing, usually. So what happens is opposing party is to serve you, and you are to serve them, and then you file it with the court. Thank you. Until next time.